As you can see, this is CNC turning. CNC machining refers to a process method of machining parts on CNC machine tools, a method of machining parts and tool displacements controlled by digital information. Mill groove, mill flat position, drill hole.
Equipment name, CNC milling and compound machine. Machining accuracy, 0.005 mm maximum machining diameter, 390 mm maximum processing length, 1250 mm spindle speed, 12,000 knives, 24. Common processing materials, aluminum, copper, iron, stainless steel, and other materials that process features, can be turned, milling products with complex structure, and completed once. No secondary processing is required to ensure the processing accuracy. It is an effective way to solve the problems of various parts, small batch, complex shape, and high precision, and to realize efficient and automatic processing. High precision spindle self-made. It can also be equipped with high-speed spindles, which can be randomly selected to solve the processing characteristics of different materials.
Industrial motivate the future.